Welcome to our channel. We are thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of sustainable design and craftsmanship. In this video, we'll uncover the intricacies of creating a unique handcrafted wooden and metal stool constructed entirely from reclaimed scraps sourced from local workshops and garages. Our mission is to showcase not only the beauty of upcycling but also the joy of creating something meaningful from materials that might otherwise contribute to waste. So, let's delve into the details of this creative endeavor. Sustainability is much more than a fleeting trend. It represents a conscious choice to live in harmony with our environment. This project typifies that philosophy by transforming discarded materials into functional art that speaks to both our aesthetic desires and our ecological responsibilities. Our handcrafted stool is a perfect blend of rustic wooden elements and industrial metal accents. It isn't just a stool, it's a statement piece designed to ignite conversations about creativity and resourcefulness in our daily lives. As we explore this project, we hope to inspire you to think about how you can incorporate sustainable practices into your own life. The journey began with sourcing materials, a pivotal part of the project that truly highlights the spirit of recycling. We ventured into various local workshops and garages, where we discovered an array of wood and metal scraps that would otherwise be discarded. This step was not only about finding materials, it was an opportunity to connect with the community and hear the stories behind each piece. Each scrap had its own unique history, which added an extra layer of meaning to our stool. By choosing to source locally, we also supported small businesses and reduced our carbon footprint, showcasing the impact of thoughtful material selection on our environment. With our materials collected, we faced the exciting challenge of developing a design concept. It was essential to create a stool that balanced aesthetics with practical functionality. We sketched various designs, focusing on harmony between the warm, inviting textures of the wood and the sleek, modern touch of the metal. The aim was to ensure that this stool could seamlessly integrate into both contemporary and rustic spaces. We wanted to create something timeless, a piece that would hold the charm of the past while feeling relevant in today's design landscape. This concept served as our guiding star throughout the project, ensuring that each decision aligned with our vision. Once we had a clear design in mind, we moved on to preparing the wood. This phase required careful examination of each piece for its aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. As we cut the wood into manageable sizes, we also paid attention to the natural grains and imperfections that made each piece unique. Sanding was a meticulous process where we removed rough edges, aiming for a smooth finish that would feel pleasant to the touch. Then, we treated the wood with eco-friendly sealants, ensuring durability while enhancing its natural beauty. This step highlighted our commitment to using sustainable practices, showing that we could create beautiful furniture without compromising the health of our planet. Shifting focus, we then turned our attention to the metal components of the stool. Using reclaimed metal scraps, we shaped and formed the legs, paying attention to the balance and sturdy support they needed to provide. The process of working with metal required specialized tools and skills, and it was incredibly rewarding to see the transformation of cold, discarded materials into functional structural elements. The contrasting visual of raw metal against natural wood brought the design concept to life and added a layer of industrial flair. This combination not only enhances the stool's aesthetic appeal but also reflects the underlying theme of creativity blossoming from materials often overlooked. The assembly process was where all our planning and preparation truly came together. We approached this stage with careful precision, ensuring that every joint was secure and every component fit perfectly. The union of wood and metal required not only technical skills but also an artistic touch, as we sought to maintain the integrity of both materials while achieving a cohesive design. The act of assembling the stool was filled with excitement and anticipation, we could finally see our vision materialize. Every step of the process was an opportunity to refine our craftsmanship, allowing us to take pride in the unique qualities of this handcrafted piece. With the stool assembled, the next crucial phase was adding the finishing touches. We opted for a natural oil finish that brought out the rich, varied grains of the wood, allowing its beauty to shine through while providing necessary protection. For the metal, we chose to apply a polish that highlighted its industrial textures while ensuring longevity. These finishing touches were not merely aesthetic, they added durability to the stool, making it ready for everyday use. This stage was a reminder that details matter. They elevate a project from simple functionality to a work of art, enriching the entire piece with character and charm. Beyond aesthetics, this handcrafted stool serves practical applications in both home and workspace settings. Its robust design and timeless look make it versatile. It can function not only as seating but also as a charming side table or an unconventional plant stand. We envision this stool gracing cozy kitchens, stylish living rooms, or even bustling workshops, proving that functional design can be beautiful and practical. This adaptability is what sets handcrafted pieces apart from mass-produced alternatives, allowing for personal expression in every space they occupy. As we share this process with you, our goal is to inspire creativity and encourage a sustainable lifestyle. We believe that making something with your own hands fosters a deeper connection to the materials and the environment. By choosing to repurpose materials, each project becomes a step toward a more eco-friendly future. We invite you to join us in exploring the art of creation, where every piece of furniture tells a story and embodies the spirit of craftsmanship. This journey is not just ours, it belongs to everyone who dares to dream and create. We wholeheartedly believe that anyone can embark on their furniture-making journey, regardless of their level of experience. In upcoming videos, we'll provide thorough step-by-step guides and handy tips for tackling your own DIY projects. We want to empower you to explore your creativity and discover the joys of working with reclaimed materials. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a curious beginner, there's something immensely fulfilling about bringing your unique vision to life through hands-on work. Thank you for joining us on this journey of craftsmanship and sustainability. We hope you found inspiration in the story of our handcrafted stool made from reclaimed scraps. If our project resonates with you, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of handmade creations and commit to making conscious choices that positively impact our environment. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the endless possibilities of sustainable design.